Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Here's how you can do it. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. On the WhatsApp homepage, you will see the gear-like icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the settings page. On the settings page, you will see the privacy option. Next, select the privacy option to open it. In the privacy section, you will see several options: last seen and online, profile picture, about, status, and more. Select the last seen and online option. Here, you will see the option, Who can see my last seen? Change the setting to Nobody. Here you will find another option titled Who can see me online? Change the settings to Same as last seen. And there you have it. By using this method, you will learn how to appear offline on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.